My friend, it's time for a new what to buy at Walmart because I was just filming some videos here. There's a lot of new Bobby approved items, like new stuff that I haven't seen even since I filmed the top 10 things to buy at Walmart in 2024. So we're gonna walk around, show you the new items, and more importantly, show you how to read the ingredients on the back so you're putting the best quality stuff in your body. But before we do walk around, I want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Yes, Thrive is a 7-year supporter of the channel, but the reason why I like them is pretty much anything you'd buy at any grocery store is on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper and the box comes to your door. And when you click my link down below, you get 30% off your first order and a free gift. And like always, I typed out a list of my favorite items that I buy on Thrive Market, both food and personal care, and put it down below. So check out Thrive Market, and now let's do some shopping. You guys want to see something crazy? These are baked beans, country style. So I guess in the country, yes, they're using bacon, which I love, but Leilani pointed out, if you read at the bottom, there's pork natural flavoring in there too. And country style means 15 grams of added sugar and caramel coloring to reinforce the color. I put this back because the reason I'm here is these. Have you ever heard of this brand? Bean Vivo. Pre-made beans that are organic, yes, but cooked in literal best-in-class avocado oil. Avocado oil, heart healthy, anti-inflammatory. It gets even better. I love coconut curry flavors. You've heard me say that a lot. These are coconut curry chickpeas. Check out these ingredients. Onions, coconut milk, sweetened with maple syrup and real ginger or smoky barbecue beans. They're not country style, so you're not gonna get pork natural flavoring, but you will get maple syrup, tomato paste, apple cider vinegar, and spices at $2.48 or 24 cents an ounce. A little more expensive than the country style, but these are great. I've seen this brand before. Very cool to see this in the bean section. Fun fact, this is the coldest Walmart Supercenter I've ever been to. People are walking by literally shivering, and Leilani and I have been here now for 2 hours filming reels and other thing. I need a Bobby approved snack, a beef stick. But do yourself a favor. Come to the gluten-free section. They have some great finds here. This is new to Walmart, and it's my favorite and Rose's favorite mac and cheese. Jovial makes a gluten-free organic mac and cheese. I'm gonna compare it to Annie's in a second, but this is made with complex carbohydrate brown rice. It's made with organic non-GMO cheese and no other BS ingredients. It is delicious. It's one of the only Bobby approved ones on the market. And if you just compared it with this Annie's right here, this is a rice pasta, yes, but the rice is white rice, then brown rice. The white rice is the cheaper rice and the simple carbohydrate, and the dairy is GMO. So I highly recommend, for a few more cents, the Jovial one. Crackers. This is one of the most nutrient-dense Bobby-approved crackers on the market. It's called Mary's. Mary's Gone Crackers here. And what I love about it is the fact that it's made with nothing but nutrient-dense, complex carbohydrates, brown rice, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, poppy seeds, no oil at all. Be careful though, or scan it with the Bobby approved app because if you get these, they're real thin crackers, and you scan them actually, hold on. With the Bobby approved app, on the barcode there, not Bobby approved. Why? Because they use palm shortening or palm oil, and they use cane sugar. So it's one of the few Marys that isn't Bobby approved. Stick with the regular crackers, they're great. Stick with those, and I think we've mentioned in the past, though it's worth mentioning again, the Simple Mills almond flour pancakes are amazing. And of course, the chocolate chip cookies are one of my favorite on the market. Things are getting even chillier in the frozen section, but there are some interesting things here. Let's just say you want a better for you option for pizza. Not Bobby approved, but for a frozen pizza, two very solid options here at Walmart. So some point last year, Bonza, who makes the chickpea pasta, came out with chickpea-based pizza. And the crust is not only gluten-free, made with chickpeas, it's made with olive oil instead of seed oils. And everything else is actually super solid here. My only issue with this and the other one is that the cheese or the dairy is not non-GMO or organic, but for pizza, very solid, and it's $7.48. Against the Grain is an OG company that used to use canola oil in this and their breads. Now they use olive oil. So it's gluten-free, and it really is just a tapioca starch and cheese and milk for the crust, and then normal toppings. My only issue with this also is that the dairy is not non-GMO, but if you're looking for some solid pizza options here at Walmart, these are two really good ones. And Leilani and I saw a new bread. I wish you can be my hand right now. This is the lightest bread in the world. It literally is like air. It's called Zero net carb bread, and it's made with avocado oil, which is nice because most keto breads are made with like soybean oil and processed seed oils. The only issue I have with this is that it has wheat gluten and oat fiber in there, and those aren't organic. And when you have wheat or gluten, you really want to have organic because of possible glyphosate. But besides that, it's not bad. It is zero net carbs, but it's $5.98 for 14 ounces. The lightest bread. If you compare this to like the heaviest bread, Ezekiel, it's like night and day. It's crazy. But what I see here also is something that I like to make sandwiches with at home, and I usually buy it at Costco, although Costco might have discontinued it because I haven't seen it lately. It's cauliflower thins from Outer Isle. These are made from cauliflower. It's 1 net carb per slice. It's made with non-GMO eggs and Parmesan cheese. You toast these up and put some turkey and mayonnaise and prosciutto on there. It's delicious. You get a 6-pack here for $6.34. Hopefully Costco brings them back because they're a little cheaper over there. There's something really interesting going on with Kellogg's cereal right now. If you haven't noticed, there's basically a boycott in real life, online, and I kind of like it because the CEO, his name is Gary, he was on CNBC a month ago, and he was talking about how a lot of people are under pressure right now financially because of inflation, and the place to go is the cereal aisle, and families should be having cereal for dinner because it's more affordable and very accessible. And people are outraged because to tell people to eat this instead of real food is criminal. And he said it's affordable. I was just crunching the numbers. We just filmed a little short that I'll put on YouTube pretty soon. This is the family size of Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. It's 22.9 cents an ounce, which is about $3.66 a pound, okay, for this. And then I just went and got it. And it's not Bobby approved, but chicken is way more nutrient dense than cereal, and this pack of drummies is $1.27 an ounce, and this huge brick of $1.27 a pound, and this huge brick of beef, which is of course not Bobby approved, but it's still beef, is $3.70. So essentially the same as Frosted Flakes. And that stuff has protein and minerals and vitamins. This stuff has zero nutrition, which is why they have to fortify it with enriched minerals and vitamins, and it's just a sugary treat. The fact that he's telling people to eat that pissed people off to the fact that they don't even want to buy it anymore. They're boycotting it. They're putting post-it notes at certain grocery stores saying this is not dinner. They're having to discount it places. So that's no good at all. Eat real food, not cereal. The only time I eat cereal is for dessert sometimes, and they don't have the ones I eat here. I eat 7 Sundays, which I'm an investor in. I eat the Thrive Market coconut flakes, and I usually put that into Kiki Milk while I'm watching on TV. Leilani got us into Resident Alien on Netflix. If you haven't seen it, it is hilarious, very family friendly. If you want to grab the 7 Sundays or the Thrive Market coconut cereal or the Kiki Milk, use my link down below to get 30% off your first order and the free gift. And don't be eating this kind of cereal for dinner. I see 2 condiments on the Asian wall here that I love, and this is new. I haven't seen this one at Walmart before. This is basically a paleo soy-free version of soy sauce. It's coconut aminos by Coconut Secret. Really good. It's just one ingredient. It's tree sap of coconuts. It's delicious. It has way less salt than traditional soy sauce, and it has that umami flavor. My favorite is the teriyaki version of this with real Bobby approved ingredients. I don't see that here. And then this is one of the best sriracha sauces that I have to buy again because I'm about to run low. Go ahead.
Sorry,
Yeah, no worries. No, not a problem. The original sriracha sauce, I was just talking with Leilani, the one that has the rooster on there, it has 2 nasty preservatives in the ingredients. This one doesn't, from Sky Valley. It's very clean, and you're always going to see a little bit of cane sugar in sriracha because it's a fermented pepper sauce, and it needs a touch of sugar to do the fermentation. So even though it shows 1 gram per serving, a lot of that probably is eaten during the fermentation process. This is fantastic stuff. And Well, Lonnie mentioned it, but Yum Yum sauce is definitely not Bobby approved. We just gotta have to see what's in here. It's soybean oil based, sweetened with corn syrup, a ton of preservatives, and not many Yum Yum ingredients. We'll put that one back. Walmart always has this one shelf I call the Hipster shelf, and there's some really interesting stuff on here like this. It's a goji cacao superfood blend you can bake with or throw into your smoothies. These ingredients are wild. It's organic oats with coconut sugar, cacao nibs, a little bit of goji berries, and yakan root powder, and it's only $4.88. This is really interesting, a ton of superfoods in there. And then I've seen this here and there. It's called the Blender Bomb. It's actually been around for a while. Think of it like a little energy bite, but it's made of dates, nuts, seeds, and hemp hearts. You can throw this into your protein smoothie. If you put this with a Flav City protein smoothie or even that, it'd be unbelievable. Really good stuff here on the Hipster wall at Walmart. That is it for my Walmart shopping haul. Pretty good, right? There's a lot of new and Bobby approved stuff here at Walmart with always great prices. There's a ticking time bomb, which means that something's gonna happen if I don't end the video very quickly. But that is it. Do check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Once again, 30% off your first order and a free gift. And I typed out a list of all my favorite Thrive Market items, both food and personal care, and put it down below. But from Walmart, the coldest one I've ever been to, I leave you like I always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Bye.